Well, Bob, I know you were just tracking some storms over in the Weather Center.
Right.
How's that looking for us?
Well, heavy rain. We're getting reports too of people seeing some heavy rainfall. Right now, nothing severe, nothing too strong. But the thing is we have some more energy out there in the Gulf. And 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning, sure, we could hear some rumble of thunder around again. We are looking at a nice sunset tonight, but notice the clouds off in the distance there. There's still some low-level moisture was hanging around. The dry air was in place in the upper levels of the atmosphere, but now we're starting to see that transition just a little bit. But a tower cam shot showing a nice sunset right there. That's not Lakewood Ranch, obviously. That's from our tower cam. But weather headlines read like this: dangerous rip currents continue. I talked about that at the top of the show, and so that's going to be a factor again tomorrow along area beaches, so keep that in mind. Mainly late night and morning coastal showers are in the forecast for the next couple of days, and then things will start to transition by this weekend. We'll start to get back to more of those late day and evening thunderstorms progressing toward the coast with a lot more lightning in it. We've had a little bit of a break in our mainly afternoon and evening thunderstorms here, but looks like they'll be back in full force by the weekend. The low pressure over the southeast continues to whip a piece of energy around every once in a while. You can see that developing just into the eastern portion of the Gulf of Mexico. Not everyone's getting the rainfall tonight. There's 3 separate spots really of some moderate to heavy rainfall. Downtown Sarasota stretching out toward I-75 in Fruitville, just to the south of Lakewood Ranch. And then this cell has popped up. It's about 40 miles offshore, and if they're moving at about 15 miles an hour, it'll take several hours before that gets here, and there could be some development prior to that. Now, there hasn't been a lot of lightning with this because these storms are having a hard time getting up into the 30 to 40,000 foot level, but this rain near Onico, just into South Braden, and they're heading off to the northeast, kind of falling apart. Pretty heavy rain, though, downtown Sarasota stretching out Fruitville all the way to I-75, and the showers and storms are moving to the east-northeast, as I said, 10 to 15 miles an hour. And elsewhere, scattered showers out here just west of Pinellas County. So that's what we're in for overnight. Periods of some moderate to heavy rainfall in some areas. Other areas won't see any rain at all. That dry air is still in the upper levels of the atmosphere. So don't expect a lot of any problems with flooding like that. But still, there's enough moisture content in the mid-levels and lower levels to produce some moderate to heavy rainfall at times. And this particular forecast model continues to show that steady stream of moisture heading off into west central Florida, kind of wrapping around that area of low pressure as it moves to the northeast. We'll see scattered storms on again and off again. Looks like throughout the morning hours near the coast, and then the main focus will be inland. The same goes true for Thursday. Now by Friday, the winds will really turn light, so the advisories as far as rip currents go will be expired by Thursday, it looks like, and then high pressure will build back in, and we'll start to see more of an east to southeasterly wind on Saturday and Sunday. 80 degrees right now in Sarasota, 84 in downtown Sarasota, although that's cooling, 80 at the airport, 83 in Braden now, the Gulf water temperature 87, 84 in Northport, Mayaca City at 82. It's 80 right now with some rain falling at the airport, and the pressure 29.98 inches. The high today was 90, and that's right at the average. The low this morning was 82, well above the average. Well, for boaters tomorrow, look for those morning showers and a few scattered storms around. Otherwise, partly cloudy, southwest winds still a bit brisk at 10 to 15 knots, so we'll see that happening throughout the morning. The extended forecast calling for a 60% chance for scattered showers. I mentioned the timing, and then 50% chance on Thursday, those 2 in the morning. Friday, at any time during the day, the rain chances drop to 40%, and then they're back. Afternoon and evening thunderstorms producing some intense lightning. It looks like it'll be back into the picture on the weekend, but it won't be a washout by any stretch, but we will see those afternoon storms. Jacqueline?
All right, Bob, thank you.